Hello everyone, this is your science class from Paramount Public School Chima. Today we will perform one activity, seed germination. So what is germination? The plant grow from seed. Okay, so we will start our activity. In this activity what we need? We need one disposable glass. We need some seeds that soak in the water for a full night, or we can say for 24 hours, and we need cotton and some water. So let's start. So now firstly we take the chickpeas, white chane beta. We will soak it in the water, and now we will take some cotton balls. Okay, so these cotton balls will put into the disposable glass. Now put few cotton balls in this glass. One by one we will put the cotton balls in the disposable glass. Press it. Now we will add some water in the disposable glass. Yes. Stop now. Afterwards we will put some seeds which we soaked full night, or we 24 hours we soaked in a water. We will put that seeds. Now we will cover these seeds with the cotton balls. So we will fully cover our seeds with the cotton balls. Now we will again cover it with the water. We will add again some water in the disposable glass. So now we will keep it in our kitchen where no sunlight is required. No sunlight will be required in this. We will place it in one corner. After 24 hours, what we observe? We observe that seeds start germination. We will see that seeds start germination. So in a week, we will see that the seedling will grow. Like the very small plant will grow, from which roots will come, shoot will come, and that part of the seed we will put it into the soil and it grow into a full plant. So this is full activity of seed germination. I am repeating again. In this activity what we do, we will take one disposable glass, we will take some seeds, and we will take cotton and water. Okay, so these things only you need, and perform this activity at home and share the pic of seed germination on my WhatsApp number. Okay beta, bye, have a nice day.